Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up some multi-currency in Shopify store in 2024. So today, we're diving into the world of multi-currency, which is a powerful feature that allows you to sell to customers around the globe in their local currency. Offering multi-currencies can enhance the Shopify experience or the shopping experience for your Shopify users, increasing conversions and even expanding your customer base. So let's explore how to set up the multi-currency and let's get started. Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and access your Shopify admin panel. To do so, go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section, type basically shopify.com, hit the enter button. Sorry. So shopify.com, and that should take you into the home screen or main screen right away. Here, click on login to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, click on start free trial. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you click on login, you should be taken to the admin panel right away. Once you are here, make sure to navigate into settings. You'll find it at the bottom left corner. Once you click on it, as you can see, this will appear into you. Once you are here on settings, all you need to do is simply go to payments. You'll find this here, which is going to be the fifth option. Click on that. Once you click on payments, as you can see in here, you can simply find payments providers, supported payments methods, and payments capture methods, manual payments methods, and payments method customization. So to use multi-currency, you need to activate Shopify payments if you haven't already. Shopify payments is Shopify integrated payments gateway that supports multi-currencies. You can simply click on choose a provider to add any provider that you want that accepts first of all payments. As you can see, you have a lot of options from here, or you can simply choose supported payments methods like PayPal, or as example, you can search by provider or by payments method, sorry. So I don't know, you can look for specific ones. As you can see, a lot of things in here, or you can search by provider as example, depending on whatever you want. A lot of things. And as you can see, other things you have here is simply payments method. It's all payments capture method. Payments are authorized when orders placed. Of course, you can see like how capture payments is it. So I'll just wait until this place load. As you can see here, you can choose automatically at checkout, automatically when an entire order is fulfilled, or manually, depending on whatever you want. Of course, what is that? Here's an article that shows everything as an example. And here's an example in table. We'll show you like the authorization period on Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, and other cards. And as you can see, other information that you may want to know. So basically, just read this article if you're interested. Other than that, as you can see, you can here enable some manual payments methods. Example, payments made outside of your online store or paid manually must be approved before being fulfilled. So you can simply add that if you want cash on delivery or money orders, some bank deposits, or even create some custom payments method. And of course, here there is the method customization. There's a lot of apps for you, as example, to check if you want to add as example things to automate things for you depending on whatever you want. So yeah, as you can see, other than that, let me as an example just go in here. So I'll just go as an example to my store. So of course here I'll go to my online store as an example, and all I need to do is just simply click on view my store. And as an example here, as you can see, it's showing in this specific currency. So let me just take this and open an incognito as an example. Let's just see if it will open. So yeah, it's open. It's not opening. Why? Because of the problem of I'm not publishing it yet, or I am still on the free plan. But as example here, so let me just go and type or scroll down as example to preferences, like the password. Should find like a password somewhere. So the password is SKIASC. So I'll just go here. So SKIASC as an example, and click on enter. And yeah, as you can see, so here it will show like with this currency. But let me just see if I can use a VPN or something like that in here to see if I change my location, will it change now the currency with me? So it seems like Brave doesn't have this option. It's fine. So I just wanted to show you if it will show or not. So basically, it will not show it in here. So what we'll need to do, of course, to change that, if we go here back to settings and we go to store details, we scroll down, as you can see here, you'll find store currency. As you can see, the currency you will see or you will use to manage your store. But to manage currencies customers, as example of the customers, you'll need to go to markets. Of course, you can click on markets right here or click on it here, whatever you want. And here, as you can see, you can find markets. So first of all, you can choose the market of your primary country. Then simply go and choose international country. So of course you can add the market of each country by its own, or as an example you can choose your primary country to use your currency or your primary currency, and all the other countries as example with you can use for them as an example. I don't know, so I'll just choose all of that as example, click on add markets. Of course I'll just name it here tests as an example, and you can simply choose the currency that you want for it. Of course, just give it a name as an example, and here you can manage everything about it. Of course, first of all, you can make it whatever you want. You can choose the language for those for this market as an example. You can choose the pricing of that market, and as you can see, you can change here the base currency. But as you can see, Shopify payments is required to manage base currency and enable some local currencies. So if you go here to this as example, you'll be able to read this article about it, and you should be good to go. So, example, even as example, let's say here how we can even ask this AI. So, how to set up like multi currency in Shopify. So they'll tell you basically to go to markets, as I said. So basically go to markets, and for each like place, your primary countries, your other markets, of course, you can put some specific currency. And as you can see, you can even add some price adjustment like increase or decrease depending on whatever you want. You can even check this option to show prices to customers in their local currencies, and you can learn more about that, of course. And here also, again, meanwhile, they'll show you an example. Go to settings and markets, and from there, you'll be able to do this multi-currency. So for me, a lot of options are disabled. Why? My shop is still not published yet, and I'll not be able to publish it because I'm on the free plan. But for you, you should be able to do it, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.